You will regularly have vacancies. If you put it on your website, you will notice that you will always receive response from people. It's not surprising because the vacancy pages are the most popular ones on your website. It's also true that websites like Indeed spider your website and try to find out if you have new vacancies. So if you put your vacancies online, they will automatically appear on those kinds of websites. I'm going to explain to you how to enter a vacancy now.
Just go to main menu and select vacancies on the left hand side. This gives you an overview of all the current vacancies. If you want to add one, just click on add. On this page you can create a new vacancy. You can add the title and the text with the vacancy description. And of course you can add a from and until date. The from date is the first day when the vacancy will be visible on the website, and the until date is the last day the vacancy will be shown. If you leave it empty, there won't be an ending date and the vacancy will be shown until you decide to remove it or deactivate it. If you want people to apply for a job by using a contact form, you can check this box. If you do so, a few more fields are being shown, like an email address and the sender email address. How does this work? This email address is the one used to send responses from visitors to. The sender email address is shown to the recipient, so the people applying for the job. If you have multiple locations, you can select one or more locations where the vacancy applies to. And there are 3 more fields. If your website is integrated with Indeed, you can select the job type, education and experience. We do not show them on your own website, however, because normally this information is included in the vacancy text. And again, you can add the browser title, meta description and other related information to optimize visibility on Google. Once you're done, click on Save. Now let's say you fulfilled the role. It might be tempting to remove vacancies from your website, but we don't recommend you to do that. Just use the active option, deactivate this vacancy, so it will be stored on the CMS for the next time you need to hire someone. That will save you a lot of time going forward.
So if you need a new colleague, for example, an e-commerce manager, you now know how to find one. And I might apply. In the next video, I explain to you how forms work.